guys, I hope you're having a great day. In today's video, as you already seen from the title, I'm gonna be checking the Revolution Pro lippies. Alright, so this one, as they say, is Hydra Matte Liquid Lipstick. Hydra Matte, that means hydrating by a matte, with hyaluronic acid and peptides. So hyaluronic acid and peptides are known for the moisturizing properties, which is amazing, but yet this is a matte lippy. So I'm not really sure how this is gonna work. Matte but yet moisturizing. Let's just check it out. My lips look super dry, so I literally can't wait to test this out. This is brand new, by the way. I haven't opened yet. It still has this plastic seal on top. I have in a color Swerve. Let's do a little swatch on the hand to see. So far looks very liquidy, very like shiny. Doesn't look matte at all. It's very oily. Let's see how it's gonna be. It smells very sweet. Like if you follow my channel, you know that I'm not a fan of the smell in any makeup whatsoever. Like any smell, especially when it smells plasticky. But this smells sweet. It's like a food related sweet smell, which is not bad. I like it. It's not vanilla but it smells sweet. It smells lovely. So it's not a bad thing. At least this is good. The applicator thing, I actually really like it. It's like a spongy applicator, but yet it's angled. It has this curve. So it means it's gonna be easier to apply using this applicator because it's not like straight. The moment of truth, my lips are super dry, as you can see. It's like cracking. So we'll see how moisturizing it is. It glides on the lips like an oil so far. It does feel moisturizing. It's not a lie. It's a true statement so far. The applicator is really handy. Even this another side of the curve makes it so much easier to apply the lip, especially like, you know, on a cupid's bow. So just going with this other side of the curve rather than this side. This side of the curve, it looks like a C shape, is better on a like lower lip, and this another side is better on top lip. So I got this online. I wasn't sure how good it is or bad because all the stores are closed and I couldn't, you know, check the shades as well. So I went with only one shade, which I thought looks the nicest from, you know, the pictures that I could see. Well, I really like it. It's like a dusty pink a bit. On the hand, it's drying up, applied far too much. On the lips, it still looks shiny. I'm gonna give it a few minutes to see the matte side of it because so far not matte at all. Let's give it a few minutes to dry and I'll come back to you to see how transfer proof it is and if it looks matte, because so far it doesn't. Alright, so I waited a couple of minutes. The lippies are drying off, but it's still quite like shiny. It doesn't look super matte or anything. I'm just looking at the mirror. It's still like quite shiny. It doesn't feel sticky though. You know, if you do this with some lippies, you get this sticky feeling. It doesn't state on the packaging that it's transfer proof or anything. All it says that it's Hydra Matte Hydrating. Yes, matte lippy. It started to look matte, but not like completely matte. It still has this like shine. It's not super glossy or anything. I mean, you guys see it by yourself, but it's not matte. It's kind of in between. It's super glossy yet not super matte. You know what I mean? It doesn't say that it's transfer proof or anything, so I don't think it will be, but I mean, we can try and give a, you know, kiss test. Why not? You wanna see this, guys? Definitely not transfer proof, let me tell you that. So for that reason, I'm out. No, all the lippies that I use most of the time are transfer proof, or at least it's like super long lasting, and if it cleans off a tiny bit, the lip still looks perfectly, and you know, it doesn't leave a huge mark on a glass when you're drinking on a cup. This left a massive mark. I mean, the lip still looks perfectly fine on the lips. It didn't clean off, so that's a plus. But it's definitely not transfer proof. for that reason it's not my favorite lippy. So I'm kind of happy I didn't order loads of different shades because I know I wouldn't be wearing that as much as I would want to, just for that reason that it's not transfer proof, because I'm really weird when it comes to lippies. I don't like gloss. I don't like that sticky feeling, you know, when you see and it feels like all your hair just sticks on it if I wear gloves. So I really don't like that. I always try to go for like matte, you know, long lasting ones that nothing would stick on a lippy and it will stay on the lips perfectly and you don't really need to pay much attention during the day to it. But this looks like it would stick on everything. I don't really want to stick my hair in it, but I feel like it would, because it's not super matte. You know, there's pros and cons to everything. So good thing is that it's definitely super hydrating. You've seen how my lips look dry when we started and now it looks like a bit plump. Super moisturized, but it's not as matte as I thought it's gonna be, and it's so not long lasting. I mean, maybe the color gonna stay on for long. I don't know. I'm gonna update you in the comments below and when I'm gonna edit this video, but it's definitely, you know, going to leave a mark on your cup or a glass or a food. Sorry for my honesty, but this is not favorite lippy, I'm afraid so. If you tried this, leave a comment down below, let me know like you liked it or not so much like I do. I don't think it's bad, because even though it transferred so much on my hand, the color is perfectly on and it's definitely moisturizing, so we're not lying. It's good for your lips, like the hyaluronic acid and peptides. It's packed with goodies. It's just not what I would prefer normally. That's what I wanted to say. So I really hope you guys found this video helpful. If so, please don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. And leave a comment down below, let me know what you would like to see next up on my channel. And I shall see you very soon. So thank you so much for watching and bye. Have an amazing day, guys.